Hi everyone, and welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're showing you a backflow preventer. However, you guys can use this for whatever you want. So I actually got this to customize it for my own setup. I'm actually using this as a cover, just a protective cover. So whatever you guys decide to use it for, that is up to you. But we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So this is it. It's got a Velcro front end here. It's basically a gigantic pocket. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be covering up something that we have outside for protecting our natural gas system that is outside. Now you guys can use this for whatever you want. You know, make sure you check out the listing to get different ideas and to see about it. But most likely you're watching this because you are looking at something for a custom or do-it-yourself project. So let's go ahead and just show you guys what it looks like. So guys, as you can see, it works great for covering stuff up. So we'll show you guys what we have underneath. So to protect our gas line and everything from corrosion and rain, because it is starting to rust. So good way to protect it. So it's going to work good for your whatever do-it-yourself project.